To adjust the settings of a clip in Premiere, double-click the desired clip in the timeline. Then, navigate to the Effects Control panel, which is in the window with the source monitor. The settings available here will depend on the type of clip that's selected. The options for video are Motion, which includes scale and position, opacity, and time remapping for speed. Clips with audio also have options for volume and panning. To add an effect to a clip in Premiere, navigate to the Effects panel, which is in the window with the Project panel. Available effects are organized into folders. Locate the desired effect, and then click and drag it to a clip in the timeline. To quickly search for a specific effect, use the search field to the top left of the Effects tab. Then, navigate back to the Effects Control tab to make adjustments to applied effects. To hide an applied effect, click the FX button next to its name in the Effects Control tab. To remove an effect, right-click it and select Clear. To copy the effects and settings of a clip to another clip, right-click the clip in the timeline and select Copy. Right-click the second clip and select Paste Attributes. Select the desired effects, and click OK. The selected settings and effects will be copied. To reset multiple clip settings and effects, right-click the clip in the timeline and select Remove Attributes. Select the desired options and click OK. More information about Premiere can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU Knowledge Base.